Good morning, everyone. My name is Denise. Welcome to my channel, The Glitzyhunter. I wanted to show the box that I just acquired from eBay. And I showed it on our channel on, There's Always Room for Jewelry. And this is the box that I'm going to attempt to show. I don't know if I'll be able to show it all in one sitting, but I'll show as much as I can. Let me move it. It's heavy. Goodness. Okay. So I'm going to show as much as I can of this box. And we'll start here. This is a black enamel bangle. Really nice condition. And this jewelry was bought from a dealer on eBay. And I just caught it at the right time, I think. I didn't pay that much for it, $79. And this is a cuff. And got my little trusty little magnet here. And it's magnetic, of course. And my channel name, Glitzyhunter, I named it that because I like to look for the glitz in the jewelry. The what I'll say is the precious metals and stones. I like gold and silver and turquoise, really. But here's a bangle cuff, black, wrapped in silver tone. And it's not magnetic. It's a real nice bracelet, though. I don't see any markings on it anywhere. But I like this. Very casual. I'm going to have to test it, though. Because this is a lot of silver if it's silver. I can't see anything that make me think it's not. Yeah, I don't see anything on it. Any markings. And I believe the black part is a leather. It's real nice. There are a lot of bracelets. Here's one with the orange beads, and it's on a rope. And you pull it to make it smaller or tighter. And it's got little silver spacers, I believe they are. It's nice, though, too. And I found this in boxes, several boxes. And it's a memory wire cuff, I'll say. And it still has price tags on it. Yeah, they say $2. It's okay, that's nice. Here's an enamel bangle with the copper. I don't know if this is vintage. This jewelry is, I was getting ready to say, it's supposed to be vintage to now, or I don't know if it's vintage would be the correct name. That's nice. I like the different colors on it. pink flower there. It's really standing out to me. It's nice. Oh, here's a cuff. I haven't seen these before. This is nice. And it has a little heart dangle on it. A couple of them. Here's one. And I like the little ends here. This is nice and it's different. I haven't seen it before. I like that. This fell out. This is supposed to be an earring, but it's lacking some decorations. And it's a copper earring, I believe. I'll look for the rest of it. This is a wood necklace. It's not really anything interesting. It has a twist closer. The barrel, I think they call it. That's different. And here's another one. This is raw too. No color on it. No specific color, but it's nicely made. I'm just trying to pull something out of here to show. And I'm gonna try to do this. I got my grandkids here, so I wanted to do it while they were sleeping. So hopefully I'll get this done before they wake up. This is twisted around here. Let me show you. I was trying to take it off, but this is one of those arm bracelets. It's kind of wobbly. I wouldn't try to sell it or anything. I think I'll put it in the craft lot. My craft lot. See, because it's very involved. And these are seed beads necklaces. Orange, red, and it has the closure. So I believe it's kind of like that. It's nothing quite interesting if you ask me. And here's another stretchy, but it's stretched out. Here we go. Here's some bangles. They put ties on them, so they're all supposed to go together, I guess. And they're magnetic, but they're nice and good condition. Nothing's wrong with them. It's a gold tone. They're nice, but my hand can't go in it, so it's for someone smaller than me. And here's a like a shell necklace. It's a yellow, pretty color with a barrel attachment. Yeah. It's nice. And here's another necklace, silver tone closure, and this is white. I think this might go with that one because they look alike to me. It's white also, and I don't know if they're shells, but they look like a shell to me. They match. And here's a white bangle. I don't know. I was trying to figure out Bakelite. I have a bag full of bangles because I'm afraid to let them go because I don't know if they're Bakelite or what they are. But I'm going to have to investigate this. I understand the Bakelite is molded, and this doesn't have any seams on it. That's what makes me think it may be. But we'll see. And this is a bangle. Small, different colors, plastic. It's nice though. This is a pen of some sort. I don't know what this is on the back of it though. Why that's there and why it's there. It says Evanston, Lincolnwood. It looks like a map, some sort. I don't know from where. And this is a little. I don't know what it is. This is I think it's a bracelet, fabric. Somebody sewed it into a black bracelet. Here's another one of those necklaces, and it has a barrel, but this one is a pink and white. They're little chips of some sort. I don't know what to call them, so I'm not going to even try to guess, but it's a nice little necklace for summertime, I would think, with a nice little dress, sundress. It's cute. Try to dig down in here and find something interesting. Okay, this is a bracelet. This feels like fabric with a gold medallion on it. And that's how you put it on. It's okay. Here we go. Here's a nice wooden necklace. Brown and looks like a natural wood. Has some gold beads on it. It's different. Wooden. I think it's wooden. Different size beads. And this is cute. I like the square bead on here. It's different. Feels plastic or wood. Not sure. I just want to show them. I'm going to list what I can. This is a necklace, I believe. It goes around the neck. Seed beads, memory wire. And the colors they vary. Black, red, green, yellow, blue. And this is how you put it on. That would be cute too. It's a wooden bracelet, and it has the pull closure too. Pull it, or you pull it out to make it bigger. That's cute too. Ooh, I want some interesting things in here. That's why I spent so much for it. I don't usually spend that much. $79, free shipping. But here's a nice gold tone necklace. And these are seed beads. Very involved if you ask me. And here's the closure. And it's real nice. I like this. Special. That's nice. I'm going to have to put that in my store. This is a leather cuff. Black beads. I don't see any markings on it. But you couldn't. This is leather. Real nice.